Chiefs roll as the Saints D continues to look for answers. I thought about picking the upset, but I got to go with the Falcons over San Diego.
Freeman, left side, touchdown Atlanta.
Raiders edge out the Jags on the arm of Derek Carr. He's going to rebound people. Niners lose their sixth straight in a close one against Tampa. Patriots make easy work of Landry Jones and the Steelers. Set your alarms for Odell Beckham and Todd Gurley. Odell's busted out. We're still waiting on Gurley. Giants win 26-20.
Touchdown Giants! 66 yards!
Marcus Mariota leads Tennessee over Andrew Luck and the Colts. Look out for the Titans, people. Carson Wentz struggles big time against the best D in the league. Vikes win. Strength versus weakness as the Bills' rushing attack rolls over Miami's weak run D.
Touchdown, Mike does it again!
Is this a week for the Browns, by the way? Nope. It'll be close, but since he pulls it out. Jets finally get on the board against the banged-up Ravens, even with Geno Smith. Redskins-Lions is a toss-up, but I'll go with Matt Stafford at home. Great game on Sunday night. Cards offense makes the plays to win it. Brock Lobster's revenge. Airmail and gutter balls over the middle are not going to get it done against the best corners in the league. Denver wins that game for Gary Kubiak.
Makes the catch, Denver touchdown!
You can check out all my game picks at NFL.com/gamepicks.